Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add custom field in shipping form in checkout page in WooCommerce WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our billing form and then you see ship to a different address. Enable this option. So this is our shipping form. So we are going to add custom field using plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write checkout field manager. So this is plugin checkout field manager, checkout manager for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. Then you see checkout tab, so again click on it. Now you see multiple options, checkout, billing, shipping, and then you see shipping. So click on it. Now scroll down, you see multiple field and then you see add new field. So click on it and then you see pop up and then you see name, type, label, placeholder, description. So you can customize field according to your requirement. Now you see type, text, drop down, you see multiple option. Now we select text, then you see label, my field name. So you can add name according to your requirement. So we are going to add label custom field, then you see placeholder and then you see maximum length, minimum length, and then you see filter and then you see show for rows, hide for rows. So you can select setting according to your requirement and then you see display and then click on save. Now setting saved. Now you see this is a custom field and optional. If you want you can make it required like this. So it's up to you and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now you see ship to a different address, enable this option. Now you see form and then you see custom field optional. So we added this custom field by using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.